Hi friends! Today we're going to read a story called Mouse and Monkey for reading, and this is a book that you should have in your backpack. It's a paper black and white book, so it doesn't look like mine. It is and doesn't have colors, but it does look like mine because it has the same pictures. It's just black and white and it's in paper. So pause the video and get this book out of your backpack, and when you're ready, come back and push play on the video and we're going to read it together. Okay? Go. All right, hopefully you have your book out and you're ready to go. We're going to read the story Mouse and Monkey. And while you're reading, I want you to have your finger out and you're going to point to each word that we're reading together, okay? So just like me, watch. Mouse and monkey. I want you to put your finger under each word that we read. Mouse is one of the characters in the story. Mouse starts with a and monkey starts with a too. Okay. Mouse and monkey. Before we read the first page, I want you to notice that we have our sight words here, the, T-H-E, the, and can, C-A-N, can. Okay, now we're going to start at the beginning. Put your finger under the, and let's read. The mouse can. The monkey can. Looks like they're being good friends and sharing their toys with each other. The mouse can. Mouse is sharing his scooter. What a good friend. The monkey can. The mouse can. The monkey can. The mouse can. Oh, they're being good friends. They're sharing a blanket, and Mouse looks like she's going to read to Monkey. Very good. So I want you to read this book at least 2 more times. Pick 2 different people in your family to read the book to. And remember to point to each word as you're reading and read this to 2 different people in your house. Okay, the next book we're going to read today is a story you do not have. So you just have to look at the computer and follow along with me. This story is called Can I? These are both our sight words. C-A-N, can, and I. I, the word like you're talking about yourself. Can I see the map? Here's a question mark as a sentence stopper. That means that it's asking something. Can I see the map? I can. Can I see the chair? Can I see the chair? I can. I can see me. Now this is a different kind of sentence stopper. This is called an exclamation point, and that means you're excited. I can see me. The end. Okay, so you can rewind the video and you can read that again with me, but make sure that you read Mouse and Monkey 2 times to 2 different people in your house. And have a good weekend. I will see you on Monday. Yay!